Hi, it's Jessica from Chevrolet of Columbus. Today we're here to pick up a customer's vehicle for service. They made an appointment online for an oil change and a multi-point vehicle inspection. The keys are inside, so let's get started. Now before we leave, we're going to give the vehicle a quick wipe down. Let's get it to the dealership. We've arrived at the dealership, so let's get it in there. So the service is done, so let's get it back to the customer's house. So we've just arrived at the customer's house, but before we let them know we're here, we're going to give it one last wipe down. And that wraps up the service for this vehicle. They set the appointment online. We came and picked it up, brought it back. They paid for the services online, and they did it from the comfort of their own home.